Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I want to share with you a brand new 2018 Sea Ray 260 Sundancer, a stern drive sport cruiser powered by a 6.2 liter, 300 horsepower Mercruiser motor. This boat provides at-home comfort, sleeping up to 4 people, and a layout that encourages socializing. As we board at the stern, you'll notice lots of space on the swim deck and what would be a swing-down stainless steel swim ladder that stows very easily. This seat back easily adjusts with its articulating backrest to provide more room to take in the sunshine in the aft section of the boat. Midboat is protected from the sun by adjustable canvas off the fiberglass sport tower, which also includes speakers and lighting. All this seating and storage surround the wide helm seat. And that helm faces a gel-coated digital dash with Merc Vessel View link, as well as the controls for the Rockford Fosgate premium sound system. The cabin of this Sundancer has a TV, DVD, refrigerator, microwave, stovetop, sink, and as you can see, substantial extra space for storage. In addition to the adjustable sleep quarters or socializing area. This also has a spacious wet head that uses vacuum flush into a holding tank. This is a great boat for day trips or overnights with your family. Has all the conveniences of home and still all the fun of a Sea Ray. If you'd like to learn more about this great new boat, discuss options and pricing, or take this boat out on the water for a sea trial, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. This is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.